Yo YouTube, welcome back to the channel. So many of you have been asking me to create this tutorial, so I thought I'd finally create it for you. I'm going to be showing you how to get all cap breakers in NBA 2K26. Now, some of the cap breakers people don't know how to get, and some of them may not even be unlockable via the usual methods. But I'm going to be showing you guys how to get every single cap breaker for free using a NBA 2K26 locker code. I spent a long time searching Google and YouTube, and I finally managed to find a way to do this, guys. So make sure you drop a like on this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more awesome NBA 2K26 tutorials. Now let's not waste any more time and let's show you how to get cap breakers in 2K26. So as you can see, guys, what you got to do to get your locker code for your cap breakers is use your mobile phone. And this is just basically the process to get your code, and then you can go ahead and redeem it on whatever platform you play 2K26 on. So you just got to use your internet browser on your mobile and head on over to www.coldcoupons.com. So as you can see, guys, you just got to type it like this into your mobile phone, and it's going to bring you to this website. Now they have loads of game codes on here. I've used these for free VC, but I did notice they added a cap breakers code. So go to the search bar at the top, and in there just type in 2K26, so NBA 2K26, and you can see there's a few different codes on here. Like I said, they do have a VC code here, but this is the code, guys. This is a NBA 2K26 locker code that's going to get all cap breakers for free. So this is absolutely awesome, guys. This is a simple locker code that you can enter in your 2K26 game. I'll flash it up on the screen where you enter the code. And yeah, once you do that, guys, it's going to supply you your cap breakers. So basically, I think there's 28 cap breakers. But yeah, anyway, you need to unlock your code here, guys. Now, obviously, cap breakers are pretty desirable. And as you can see, these are limited codes. So this stops people from basically stealing all of the available codes. So go ahead and click on get full code, and you're going to see this code unlocker. And it's self-explanatory. This is going to tell you how to get your code. Now it says here, complete 2 of the free offers below. Now you can see on this screen there is a bunch of tasks here that are all completely free. And these are really simple things like installing and opening mobile applications. You can even play mobile games, stuff like that, guys. You just got to read the small text, because that basically tells you how to complete the tasks. So they're really easy things like installing TikTok and opening it and running it for 30 seconds. If you already have TikTok, you choose another one. But yeah, just complete 2 of these. And if you do that, your 2K26 locker code will be fully revealed. You can redeem it, and that is going to get you all cap breakers, guys. So that is the easiest method to get cap breakers in 2K26. Head on over to Cold Coupons, and then just use the search bar and search for this NBA 2K26 codes page and select the cap breakers code. Make sure you drop a like on this video and subscribe. Any questions, feel free to ask them in the comment section below, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.